Students, 7th class science. In last topic we have started chapter number 3, fiber to fabric, and we were reading about the steps that how we convert fibers into wool. There was 6-7 steps. First step was rearing and breeding of sheep. Second step, shearing. Third step, washing or scoring. Fourth, sorting. Fifth, carding. Sixth, dyeing. And seventh, spinning and weaving. Today we will discuss these all steps in detail. Our first step was rearing and breeding of sheep. Firstly, what is rearing? Rearing means taking care of sheep. Why we are taking care of sheep? So that they can give to us good quality of wool. We know we are getting wool from the sheep. For get better quality of wool, they are rearing the sheep. Next, what is breeding of sheep? Breeding of sheep means depending on the quality of the sheep, depending on the quality of the wool, means which type of wool we want, we will select the breed of the sheep. Like in last page we have read many breeds of the sheep like Lohi, Nali. These all breeds we have read in last page. Which breed, like Lohi breed, which type of wool it is giving? Superior wool. Like if you want to get superior wool, then which breed you will select? Lohi breed. If you want to get carpet wool, then which breed you will select? Nali breed. Now we will discuss this. Sheeps, what type of food they are eating? They are herbivores, so they are eating only the plants and their parts. For better good quality of for getting better quality of wool from the sheep, which type of food we are providing? Protein rich food like cones, pulses, jowar, oil cake. These all are protein rich food which are providing to the sheep, so for their good growth of curly and shiny hair. And sheep breed, I have told you, firstly according to the quality of the wool we will select the breed of the sheep. When reared sheep develop thick growth of hair, then that sheep are shaved off, means their hairs are removed. Now our second step is shearing. What is the meaning of shearing? Shearing means the process of shaving of the sheep body, means removal of hair of sheep is called shearing. How that shearing is done? With the help of hair cutting machine. With the help of hair cutting machine, shearing of sheep is done. And when that shearing of sheep is done? In the early summer. Why in early summer? So that in summer, during full summer, they will not feel hot. If their hairs are removed, then obviously they will not feel hot due to their hair, due to their skin. Next is washing and scoring. Washing means, you know what is the meaning of washing? To wash anything. Which hairs are removed from the sheep. After that they are washing that hairs. Why they are washing the hairs? So that if any dirt particles, dust particles are present in the hair, that particles can be removed. How that particles can be removed? With the help of washing and scoring. And washing, it is done in the soap solution. So soap solution is putting in number of tanks. Then from that, which hairs are there of sheep, that hairs are putting in the soap solution to remove the grease, dirt and dust particles. These all particles are removed in the washing. Next is sorting. In our real life, what is the meaning of sorting? Sorting means arrange anything. Sorting means arrange anything. Like after the washing in the washing, what they are doing, washing the hairs, then after washing they are drying the hairs of the sheep. Then hairs of sheep are arranged in proper manner, like the dried hairs of different textures are sorted out. Different textures of hair are arranged in different manners, and which very small hairs are there, that small hairs are called, that small fibers are called burrs. That again they are sending in the machine for the reprocessing. Reprocessing means to process again. Our next step, fifth step, is carding. Now what is the meaning of carding? In first step I have told you that sheep hair are curly hair. In carding what they are doing? To straight the hair, straightening of hair, it is done in the carding process. The process by which curly wool hairs are straightening. How they are straightening the hairs? With the help of rollers. Rollers are used to straight the hairs. Next step is dyeing. You know which clothes we are wearing, which woolen clothes we are wearing, that all are not of same colors, all are of different colors. After that what they are doing then? Mainly which hairs of which wool we are getting from the sheep, that wool is light in color, light, or mainly it is white in color. After that, with the choice of the customer, they are dyeing the wool of the sheep in the different colors. Now our last step is spinning and weaving. Spinning and weaving. What is the meaning of spinning and weaving? Spinning means which thread we have made, which fiber we have made, that is rolled down, that is rolled into yarn. This is called spinning, rolled into yarn. And weaving, like with the help of knitting, with the help of machine, from that yarn means what? Thread. That thread is converted into any woolen cloth, like into sweaters, into any woolen clothes, that is into shawls, that it is converting. This is called weaving. Now what are our processes? First step was rearing and breeding of sheep, means taking care of sheep and select the sheep. Second step was shearing, means cutting the hairs of the sheep. How? With the help of hair cutting machine. Next, washing that hairs. How? With the help of soap solution. And why? To remove the grease, to remove the dirt and dust particle. Next, sorting, means arrange that all the hairs, all the woolen fiber into different compartments. Next is carding. Carding means straightening of hairs. How? With the help of rollers. Next, dyeing. Dyeing means to dye that wool into the different colors. Next is spinning and weaving. Spinning means to convert that into thread or yarn. Next, weaving, likes to convert that to do knitting of sweaters or any woolen clothes. Thank you.